Merci chérie, bi bon pays passé ou non chérie, bi bon pays passé ou non point. Faut moi te quitter ou moi te capable comprendre valeur. Faut moi te laisser ou moi te capable apprécier pour me sentir vraiment tout ça oublié pour moi.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Nani. If this is your first time on this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also like and comment if you like this video. Si c'est Haitian et c'est première fois ou vin sur page channel moi, pas oublier pese ti cloche là, abonner pour ka toujours joindre vidéo mieux. Et si vous aimez vidéo ça, pas oublier like li, commenter si vous avez un bagay ou vle quitter pour moi ou vle mandem ou vle dim. Okay, in this video we're going to be talking about Haiti, point blank, Haiti. And the beauty about it is that no matter where we're from in Haiti, no matter where we live now, we still love the country. We still, despite everything that is happening, home is home. Lakai c'est lakai. So in this video, it's me and some friends that's gonna be joining in it, and they're gonna tell you what they think about Haiti, what does being Haitian mean to them, what does Haiti mean to them, and why they're proud to be Haitian. So stay tuned to watch the full video, and once again, it's your girl Nani.
Moi c'est Theresa, moi c'est Haitienne, moi sorti Kazal, dans ville Port-au-Prince. Yon Haitien pour moi veut dire yon moun qui pas peur tout côté li passé pour li fier de originalité li, qui pas peur pour malgré toute critique y a bay sur pays li pour li dire qu'il est haïtien. Moi fier parce que c'est haïtien.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Stephanie. I'm a college student currently majoring in healthcare administration, and I'll be graduating in May. I wasn't born in Haiti, but my parents were. My dad is from Kaba and my mom is from El Salvador. Currently, I live in New York. What being Haitian symbolizes to me is a sense of strength. We've overcome so much adversity, and still we rise. Moi fier parce que c'est haïtien.
Hey guys, I'm Sebastien Manuel Pluvioz. I was born in Port-au-Prince, Pétionville. My family is from Casal, famille Belno, Belnoski, Belfort, Belfortski. Right now I'm living in Taiwan. I'm studying international business and trade. I want to bring different companies back to Haiti to help us get further along in our development because we're kind of really behind. What do I love about being Haitian? I love that we're the first free Black nation in the entire world. Where other countries were trying to dominate everyone else, we decide to become free, and we help other nations become free by being an example. And being in Haitian is almost like still keeping that story that belongs to us, that we can, as Black people, we're like the first example set in the world. Even though, like, as of today, like, the media portrays, like, Black people as, like, the craziest, the most savages, the weirdest, the ones that do the craziest thing. Us, particularly as a Haitian, we define these laws. Like, we're role models. You have, like, the biggest Haitian doctors. You have some of the creative philosophers and artists. And, you know, that's all of us. That's all in our DNA that makes us who we are as a people. And it's just amazing. Like, every time, and we are the most courageous. Like, wherever you go, you're like, oh my gosh, you're from Haiti. Like, oh my gosh, I know so much about this and that. Even though, like, they're missing a lot, but, like, you're always, like, hyped and proud to meet the Haitians. It's like, it's one of those nations that everyone knows because of our history and the things we've been through. And I want to be part of the generation that changes our image. Instead of people knowing us for like always suffering in the downfalls, I want to become part of the group that makes like a big impact. Like when they talk about Haiti again, they're going to be like, yes, it's that country. They got independent first. Then they were going through a lot of crazy bad things. Like they were in debt, the people were suffering, but now it's back to being La Pelle des Antilles. And yo, that motivates us a lot. That's why there's a lot of young ones from Haiti that like are trying to become the biggest icon in different countries to like keep representing. So that's like the biggest honor to me. Shout out to Nani for doing a good job. Love you, cuz.
Hey guys, my name is Shaina Coralie Saint-Hilaire. I am 25 years old and I'm making this video to answer 3 major questions by Tati. And the first one is, where are you from in Haiti? In Haiti, I am from Port-au-Prince. And but my dad is from Okap. My mom is also from Port-au-Prince, but my grandma is from Port-de-Paix. So let's say both of them are up north. Okay. The second question is, where do you live now? Right now I live in Canada because after living in the States for a couple years, my parents decided they wanted to move to Canada because it's a bilingual country. They speak French and English, and my parents are more comfortable speaking French because they're Haitians. And I think that was the best move we made because it allows me to see new places and meet new people and have my career that I have right now. And I couldn't be more grateful to be living in Canada. Haitian means to you. To me, being Haitian means that I am strong. I have values and principles. And wherever I go, I stand out and I try to make a good impact on people. We have a beautiful history, and overall, we the shit, you know. But this question is not. It's not something you can just answer in like 2 minutes. But overall, yeah, I love being Haitian. I don't see myself being another nationality but Haitian. So
hi everyone, my name is Taisha. I am currently studying at Rutgers University, pursuing a major in psychology, a minor in social justice. I was born and raised in Haiti, specifically Pétionville. And what does it mean to be Haitian? Honestly, being Haitian is just being able to persevere, being determined, being beautiful, handsome, being, I don't know if I said intelligent already, but honestly, we're smart. Being able to just keep pushing through everything, through the hard times, through the tough times. Like, we're just here and we're about it and we're strong and we're family oriented. But honestly, Haiti is a beautiful place, so what else is there to say? I'm just proud to be Haitian.
Bonsoir, je m'appelle Fedna. Je suis née en Haïti, plus précisément à Casal. Aujourd'hui, je vis aux États-Unis, à New Jersey. Donc, être haïtienne pour moi veut dire être capable, être résistante, être courageuse, être forte, être combattante, être fière de sa culture, de soi-même, de sa patrie, de son entourage. Tout ça pour dire que je suis fière d'être haïtienne.
Bonjour, bonsoir, ça dépend de qui côté vous regardez vidéo ça. Non pas M. Shirley Cam, moi fait l'hôpital général et grandi pour Prince Haïti. But vidéo ça, c'est pour parler pour qui raison que fier parce que sont haïtiens ou bien haïtienne. Moi ça fait que me fier parce que me sorti en Haïti, c'est parce que nous c'est le premier peuple noir qui prend indépendance nous, sans nous pas besoin d'aide l'autre nation. Deuxièmement, nous sommes un peuple qui est tellement intelligent. N'importe côté nous arriver, nous toujours cherchons pour nous booster la vie, pour nous capables de chercher la vie. Nous sommes un peuple qui est tellement vaillant, nous pas paresseux, nous pas peur faire 3-4 boulots de quoi pour nous capables de supporter famille nous. Alors la caille c'est la caille. Moi-même moi fier et eux même pour ils sont fiers parce que sont haïtiens.